Good morning, traders. Today, I would like to answer a few questions that I've received recently regarding my trading and scalping, and I also wanted to introduce a new alert indicator that I use to scalp. It can be used on the 1 minute or even the 5 minutes. So let me pull up the questions that I received in the emails. Okay, number one, what is the best pair in your opinion? I think most pairs move and you have to get familiar with a particular pair and then you get to learn how it moves over time. My favorite pair is the GPP JPY because it's pretty consistent and it tends to trend for a long time. Next question is, what is the best time frame? Okay, time frame depending on how you're going to trade and which method you're going to be scalping, you're going to be swing trading or position trading. So the longer the time frame you're going to use, uh, the less of a lot size you're going to use. So if you're going to be scalping, you're going to go to higher lot sizes because you're in and out relatively quick. But if you're going to trade for a long time, let's say trade off the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily, um, then you will trade lower lots. So it's all relative on your size of account and your account size and what do you accomplish. That noise you heard is the indicator I was going to talk about. This is a custom-made indicator that I made. So on the it alerts me when the bar, whatever time frame you have it set. So if I have it set on the 4 hour right now, 4 hour per candle, it gives me an alert to trade. So for example, it tells me trend up right here, and that was given when this candle closed on a few hours ago. So I don't use this indicator unless I'm using scalping. So this indicator, if you want to use it on scalping, it's on the one, like for example, it would give you a short right here because let's see when it first gave you a short. So this was up. The way it works is it alerts me when the candle closes below these two lines. So it would have alerted me here. So if I would have gotten here, I would have gotten out here. So that would have been a loss. So it's nothing, 2 pips. Nothing is 100%, as you guys know. And then here, it went long. So went long here, and then I would get out when it crosses one of the lines. So this was another 2 pip loss. And when it told me to get in short here, and then it would tell me to get out when the candle closes above the line. So it would have happened here. So that would have been 13 pips. And you can also trade it on the 5 minutes, that's my favorite time frame for scalping. And the next question here says, what is the best moving average to use? I used to use moving averages, and I still do on longer trades, but for scalping, I don't use it. Because if you put the 200 on here, you would have missed out on this short right here, because for example, let's put in the 200. Insert indicator, moving average. Let's just see where the 200 moving average is. Let's do exponential because that's my favorite. So it's above the moving average. So price action, you would have missed out on this short. So that's why for scalping, I don't use moving averages. That's 16 pips right there. So don't like to use moving average. Let's see, what did I call this template? Anyways, let me get rid of this.